What's up? Figured I'd make another little tech tip video. Working on this O2DX today. Doing all the goodies. Oil pump, cam plate, cams, lifters. Gonna do the top end, heads with some head work, high compression pistons, the whole deal. He's getting the full treatment. And I just finished sewing up the bottom end, the cam chest. And this is something I always do. Even though I pump up the lifters, I always fill the cam chest area with a quart of oil. Make sure everything down there is lubed. I sump the cam chest area with a quart of oil, which this is empty now. Yep, that's empty. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I had somebody say, nah, you don't got to do that. Let's see if I can get this phone set up to where you guys can see the lifters. Now what I usually do is I usually roll this bottom end around by the rods for a few minutes, just like this. Now if you look, I don't know if it'll come in the camera, but if you look at these lifters, let's see if I could get a little more centered. Now if you watch these lifters, you see that bubble start coming out of them. See? That rear exhaust. See it? And I'll just sit here and do this for a few minutes, take a break, do it again. I do it a few times. See that front exhaust? See it bubbling? I'll just keep doing this for a few. Like I said, I do a couple rounds. See that rear intake? See it bubbling? And I'll just sit here and do this for a few minutes, a couple times. See? And I always do that to my bottom ends. You know, everyone makes these videos about, we got 8,000 horsepower, this and that. Yeah, but I'm trying to ride this thing forever. I'm not trying to win a race. So I just figured I'd make one of these little videos. Nothing special. Just something I do. And I don't know. Figured I'd pass it along. Alright, I'll see you guys on the road.